How to make video on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, you can choose a time limit for your video as shown. For example, select 15 seconds. Then, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. The video will only be recorded for 15 seconds. After you're done, you can edit the video using the edit options on the right side of the screen. You can also add a music to this video. After that, tap on Next at the bottom to post it to your feed. Following these steps, you can easily make video on TikTok.